That is what's happening today. So the market is dumping for many reasons. Unang-una, there is a very market obvious reason. Kahit anong system ngayon, whether you are a moving average trader, whether you are a Fibonacci trader, whether you are a price action trader, whether you are a just pure SNR trader, you're a trend follower trader, a momentum trader, everything, lahat sila nag-agree the price need to drop. That's number one. Let me prove to you a point. If I am a moving average trader, nagkaroon na po ng pagbagsak. Nakita niyo yan? Yung moving average na ginamit ko is exponential moving average 200. Normally, moving average should act as a support. Miranda, on a one-day time frame, yung support natin na 58,000, binasag na po. Binasag na po yan. That's your moving average. Matandang EMA yan. So, if you are a moving average trader, hindi ka bibili. At kung walang bumibili, walang buyers, definitely the